Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
2 weeks ago, the Mandrem area was in shock following the discovery of 2 murder cases involving 2 Russian women in Arambol and Murzim. Mandrem police immediately arrested 37-year-old Russian national Alexei Leonov for allegedly murdering the victims Elena Vaniva and Elena Kastronova. Surprisingly, both the victims shared the first name Elena and were also 37 years old. A bigger shock surfaced when the accused Alexei, during his initial custodial interrogation, claimed that over the last 1 year he had murdered several other women in Goa, Delhi and Uttarakhand. Alexei also claimed that he had smothered an Indian woman to death whose body was found in Prudent in November. Police found that Alexei was in contact with the woman. However, the post-mortem report confirmed that the victim's death was due to drugs overdose, contrary to the Alexei's claim. Among the many claimed victims, the Goa police zeroed in on 5 Russian nationals who were in confirmed contact with Alexei. However, after verification with the help of Russian embassy, it was confirmed that all of them are alive. 2 are presently staying in Delhi, while 3 have returned to Russia. So now, after the completion of accused Alexei's 14 days custodial interrogation and follow-up investigation, the Goa police have concluded that Alexei has not committed any other murder as he claimed. But the question is, usually accused persons deny committing offences after being caught by the police. So why did Alexei made a self-confession to killing many more people? A senior police officer told Prudent that Alexei appears to be a drugs addict and might have been hallucinating about murdering other people. Anyway, it will be interesting to see whether he admits the charges of murdering the 2 Russian women, Elena Vaniva and Elena Kastronova, once the court frames charges against him. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.